Hello, and welcome to this short how-to video from Blue Prism University. During this video, you will learn how to set up the auto-refresh feature in the Browser-based Blue Prism version 7.1 control room. The auto-refresh feature refreshes the tables at a specified interval. Process controllers performing real-time debugging can take advantage of this functionality to set it up, look at the updated tables, and know when to intervene. Auto-refresh is available in all sections within the control room and is turned off by default. It can be set with the below time intervals: every 1 minute, every 5 minutes, every 10 minutes, every 30 minutes. In addition, the Refresh Now feature can be used to refresh the data tables instantly. Note that the auto-refresh gets disabled once you switch to other sections within the control room. In this video demonstration, you will see how to enable the auto-refresh feature in the Schedule Manager section of the control room. First, select a schedule and click Auto-Refresh. Now, set the refresh interval to every 1 minute and click Apply. Notice a checkmark on the Auto-Refresh button indicating that it's enabled. The table will now auto-refresh every minute. If you need an instant refresh of the table, you can use the Refresh Now feature. Notice that the table will display newly created entries, if any, since the previous refresh. This will, however, reset the auto-refresh timer if enabled, but won't turn it off. During this short video, you have seen how to set up the auto-refresh feature in the browser-based control room. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more about any other Blue Prism product, please visit the Blue Prism University via the link in the description below. You can also visit the Blue Prism University community to get support from other members and participate in various discussions via the link in the description below.